Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over some of my items I picked up from the Luxury Lines collection and the Sweetheart collection from Bath and Body Works. So let's get started. First of all, I'll start off with the Luxury collection. I did not pick up the whole collection, but I picked up scents. I went in the store and I sniffed all the different scents and I picked up the ones that was most interesting to me. So I'll go over those. The first one I want to go over, which was a surprise for me. I did not think that I would like this one at all, but it's Guilty as a Fig. Now, Guilty as a Fig has notes of fig nectar, lush jasmine, and creamy musk. So, of course, as I've said in my other videos before, I love jasmine. So that's why I believe this one is standing out for me. And I also know that I love the fig notes in the Nest fragrance. So Guilty as a Fig is supposed to be a dupe or inspiration of the Jo Malone Fig and Lotus. But I've also seen people talk about this reminding them of Fleur's father figure. I don't own neither one of those, but if they smell as good as this one do, I might be interested. Like I said, I smelled these in store. And I really do love this scent. I actually think this is one of my favorites out the whole line, the ones they redone. I believe this was a nice surprise for me. So when it says that it's a creamy musk, that's definitely what it is. It's a creamy musk. And it mentioned it has the jasmine. I do smell the jasmine. But that fig is so nice. So that one was the Guilty as the Fig from Bath and Body Works. And the other one I have here was You're Cheeky. So You're Cheeky says it has notes of pink peppercorn, warm almond flour, and vanilla bean. Let's see what this one smells like again to remind me. Now, I've seen a lot of ones talking about Good Girl Blush on this one, but Diptyque Orpheon is another one that I've seen information on this one. I don't have the Good Girl Blush. I just have the original Good Girl. But it does have that almond DNA, which I really like. So I know I'm going to enjoy this one a lot. And the other one here that I picked up from the Luxuries line is the Loyal to You. Now this one, is said to be inspired by the Dolce & Gabbana Good Girl. Oh, not Good Girl, Devotion. And you definitely pick up on the lemon in here. So let me see what it says. Sweet lemon blossom, orange flower, and vanilla marshmallow. Now, I've seen some other information about this one saying it reminded some people of the Love Don't Be Shy. Except that one leans more orange and this one leans more lemony. But this is beautiful. If you love a sweet and a lemon scent, you're going to love this one. Absolutely. The other one I have here is Madame Mystique. I was curious about this one because it says it was supposed to be inspired by YSL Mon Paris. And I do have that in my collection. I'm very familiar with what that one smells like. But someone else said it was inspired by a Chanel fragrance. I don't know which one. I have Coco Madame as well, and it's not that one. But you know what? This is the YSL Mon Paris. This is like my third or fourth bottle of this. So let's see here real quick. Let the alcohol. It is similar. It's not exact, but it is similar. But you know what this reminds me of? So I pulled these two that it's reminding me of. It's reminding me of the Into the Night. So if you like Into the Night has the Raspberry Noir, Amber Crystals, Velvety Rose Petals, Creamy Patchouli, and Mocha Musk. And this one also has red berries, which raspberries can fall under red berries, and also has rose petals and sultry woods, which patchouli can give you that woody feel too. So those are similar to me. And then Dark Kiss also is another one that has black raspberry, burgundy rose, bergamot, incense, dark vanilla bean, and plump musk. So this one just goes more plummy and incensey, but it has similar DNA. So if you like, if you like Dark Kiss, this one, if you like Into the Night, then you definitely, it's in the same little dark sweet family. But this one has more of a perfumey scent. If you like those, then you will like this one. And this do, as it's drying down more, remind me more of the YSL. Like I said, it's not exact, but it does remind me of it. So if you have that, or if you like this scent DNA, you will enjoy the Madame Mystique. All right, so that's all the ones that I personally picked up that I felt like I would enjoy from the collection. Now let's move over to the Sweethearts collection. All right, so I've already hauled the Strawberry Pound Cake, the one that they already released towards the end of last year in my SAS haul. So I didn't see the need to pick up Strawberry Pound Cake again, even though it is a beautiful scent. But I picked up the Sweetheart Cherry. Sweetheart Cherry says it has notes of wild cherry, crushed pistachio, and whipped vanilla. And when I was smelling these two in there, I was like, ooh, these smell so good. Did any of you guys pick up any of these? Oh, it smells so good. I love it. That creaminess and it says crushed pineapple, crushed pistachio, but that whipped vanilla is hitting. So I picked up the hand cream in that one as well because I really enjoyed the scent. And then the other one I picked up was the Forever Sweet. Now this one, if you remember eating the little sweet tart candies, it makes you think you're eating one of those. You know, the smell that you get when you first open the box or bag or whatever is exactly what it reminds you of. It says it has candied grape, sweet berry, and powdered sugar. You get that. It just makes you think you're eating those candies. It smells so good. So that's the two I picked up from the Sweetheart collection. Like I said, I already had the Strawberry Pound Cake. That's delicious as well. I highly recommend all three of those. And like I said, from the Luxury collection, I recommend Guilty as Fig, You're Cheeky, Loyal to You, and Madame Mystique if you have a similar scent profile to me. And while I was there, I went ahead and picked up on the Coconut Lime Verbena because I was on the fence about buying this one whenever the SAS haul was going on. So I decided to pick it up because the reason what was holding me back is because I have Coconut Lime Breeze. I still have one of my miss of this one. Now this one, I haven't seen it come back yet. It smells delicious. Sparkling key lime, sheer jasmine, and coconut water. Two of my favorite combination, coconut and jasmine. So I don't know why I just didn't pick it up before, but I did eventually. So I wanted to compare these two because I heard some comments about ones wondering if these were the same. So it started making me wonder, are they the same? So I looked up because this is the old bottles that don't have the notes on them. And Coconut Lime Breeze says it has lime, coconut, musk, orange blossom, and jasmine. All right, so coconut jasmine in both of them. Lime, coconut, jasmine in both of them. Wow. They're definitely different. I got to spray both of them again. They're different. So they're different enough if you don't have one and you want or you want both, you can get both of them. I think one to me is leaning more perfumey and one is leaning more tropical. Yeah. I can wear either one. I mean, I get more lime. I feel like I'm getting more lime in the coconut lime breeze. Yeah. I think I'm getting more lime in the coconut lime breeze. And this one is making me feel like it's more tropical. Whereas the coconut lime verbena, yeah, it's just it's more dialed down a little bit on the lime, and I think they may have more of the jasmine in there, but definitely. And this is coconut water, not just regular coconut. So I'm thinking it's just a more lighter, perfumey version of the coconut lime breeze, in my opinion. So that's my take on those two. Let me know what you guys picked up. Did you pick up anything from the Sass haul? Did you pick up anything from the Luxuries collection or the Sweethearts collection that you are enjoying, that you recommend? Drop it down in the comments. And other than that, guys, stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.